Dear Cheri, how can I grow some marijuana inside without special grow lights?
Wait.
Thanks. Okay.
Wait, without lights?
Yeah, well, that's what they asked. And, there's no
Okay.
such thing as stupid questions. You don't know what
No.
you don't know.
No, you don't know what you don't know.
But the short answer to that question is you really can't. Before we get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because we try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And also hit that like button, too, if you get value out of these videos because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. So I'm joined again today by Mitch Mandel,
Hello.
Cannabis Cheri's grow editor, who I have on hand usually when we do grow questions. I probably could have answered this one myself, but you are the grow expert.
Yeah.
Mitch, take it away. Can you grow cannabis inside without special grow lights?
Well, you can grow a
plant.
plant under an incandescent bulb or under now I guess we all have the fluorescent bulbs that you can grow under those, but you're not going to grow very well.
Right. And I mean, I think Mitch will agree with me. My philosophy, if you're going to go to the trouble of growing weed, grow the best weed
Exactly.
you can grow. And there's just no way you're going to get that.
It takes the same amount of effort to grow bad weed as it does to grow good weed.
Exactly. So let's go grow some good weed. Why this wouldn't work is it's just not getting the light spectrum it would need from the lights in your house, or
Right.
even an incandescent bulb is not going to give the same light spectrum as an LED light that mimics the sun. Am I correct?
You are correct. The technology today has gotten very advanced, and as LEDs have gotten less expensive and more advanced, and there's more research and development into grow LED lights, not only just for growing cannabis. I mean, we're the beneficiaries of that, but professional growers who are growing vegetables and herbs and all kinds of things in greenhouses, in these giant greenhouses, they're using LEDs as supplements. So the LED companies are doing a lot of research and development into getting the exact spectrum of the sun so they can sell those grow lights to the professional growers who are growing food that we eat every day.
Yeah. And I'm really curious. The questioner didn't say, I don't know why they're shying away from grow lights, but I really want to kind of put people's fears at ease or whatever. It's not a big deal to get a grow light. The prices have come way down, and it's not like the old metal halide lights that we used to use that were very hot and they took a lot of power drain. No,
Right.
the LED lights run cool. They're very efficient as far as power use is concerned.
Right. In the old days, you needed to have a minimum of a 600-watt light, which is like running your refrigerator on steroids. Nowadays, with 120 watts, which is 1/5 of the amount of electricity, you can grow as good or better than what we were growing under the 600-watt HID metal halide lights.
Right. So I don't know why you were trying to avoid a grow light, but I would urge you not to. If you're going to grow some good weed, and you're not going to be able to do that inside without a grow light.
Right.
That's the bottom line.
Even if it's a fluorescent grow light. They make very good fluorescent grow lights now. I think there's a company called Growlux. There are some that have some very good fluorescent bulbs, but I would forego that
for LED.
Yeah, but if someone gifts them to you, or you have a source for them,
okay,
you might as well get the fluorescent grow lights are putting out a good spectrum. The LEDs nowadays are putting out a better spectrum.
Okay.
They're even trying to make them these days so they will brighten up like a sunrise and dim down like a sunset, because the sunrise and the sunset is very important to a plant. It makes it think, okay, it's getting dark, and so there's a different hormone that I need to put out, or it's getting light. Okay, I need to start to wake up. So the LED technology is really getting very, very advanced.
I mean, I would recommend that's the way to go if you're going to grow indoors. LED grow lights are pretty amazing these days.
Yes, they are.
Thanks for the question, and we will see you all next time.
Bye-bye.